Hello guys, this is your host again, Akshita from DHC New Homes, and as you can see today we are here at Akia Roots, and I'm going to help you explore their configuration, which includes 1 till 4 BHK. Guys, this is their A and B tower. The tower structure could be basically they have these two towers. One is Ashoka and another one is Banyan Tower. So guys, this is, if I talk about the land parcel, this is in a total 1 acre of freehold land parcel, guys. So if I talk about again the structure of the tower, this is a G plus 20 story tower. Two level would be your podium parking. On the third floor, you have all the luxurious modern amenities, and from your fourth floor onwards, your habitable actual floor starts. Guys, in the next clip, I'll help you explain about the location and the modern amenities that you're getting along with this project. Not just that, I'm also going to help you with the connectivity and all the major USPs for you're getting along with this project. Not just that, I'm also going to help you explore their 2 BHK 679 carpet. Let us just go forward and roll the next clip. So guys, as said, you're getting all your rooftop, all your modern amenities on your third floor. So basically you're getting all the luxurious modern amenities, which includes your swimming pool, comes in your gymnasium, your kids play area, comes your clubhouse. You name any amenities and Akia Roots is offering you that. Guys, not just that, if I talk about the connectivity of this particular tower, this is just at 5 minutes distance from your Vikhroli railway station. Guys, your R City Mall is just at 5 minutes distance from this particular location. Not just that, you have a easy connectivity for your Chandivli, your Powai, and all other good locations from this particular location. Guys, you have a lot and lot more of good connectivity for Akia Roots project. Let us just go forward and explore their 2 BHK sample flat for 679 carpet. Come with me. Help you explore their beautiful 2 BHK of 679 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in their living space. You have a beautiful sitting area given right here. You have your center table. Not just that, you have a very spacious your TV unit along with a lot more good storage for you. And then on your front right here, you have a beautiful dining space given right here. You can see how beautiful the dining lamp looks right there. And on your backside of your dining table, you have enough amount of storage space given right here. You can definitely customize this unit or this space as per your basic needs. Come, let me show you the kitchen space. Guys, this right here is going to be your kitchen area. Just have a look. This is beautifully made in a L-shaped format, and as you can see, this is your L-shaped kitchen given with a lot of storage space right here. You have more storage out right there. Your sink area comes there, and kitchen platform comes here. You have your fridge or space, your fridge unit right here, and then you also have some more space for your dry area. This could be your dry area, guys. You can use it as your dry area. You can put your washing machine right here, and then this right here is your common washroom. Just have a look, guys. This is your common washroom, and you can see how modern the Jaguar fitting looks right here. These are all your Jaguar premium fittings. Just have a look. So guys, also I would like to tell you that since this common washroom is given just parallel to your dining space, if in case you don't need this common washroom to be in your parallel space, what you can do is here, you can cover this space. Like you can cover this space and use this washroom for your common bedroom. Like this, the door of the washroom can be just customized here, and this common bedroom can be used as your master bedroom, guys. You can take that washroom just inside. So this right here is going to be your kids bedroom or common bedroom, whatever you call it. This is your queen size bed along with a very beautiful study desk given right here. Just have a look. And then comes your beautiful wardrobe space right here. Guys, you can see amount of storage that they have given for your wardrobe, a beautiful space for your side table or your lamp, and then you can see how spacious the carpet area looks right here. This right here, guys, is your master bedroom. Just have a look, guys, at this king size bed. Humongous amount of bed, enough walking space you have right here. And then you have this beautiful side table on both sides of the bed. And you have this storage space, guys. A very high length wardrobe. You have more storage right here. And then you have a very beautiful dressing table along with a chair or maybe a table. Can definitely customize this place for your dressing table, and you can see amount of space that they have given for your dressing. And not just that, since it's your master bedroom, they have connected it with a very spacious washroom. Guys, this right here is your Jaguar premium fittings. Just have a look. So guys, this is their 2 BHK 679 at the most and most premium location, which is in Vikhroli West. As I said, I have given all the details for this particular project. If you need more details, you can definitely visit our site. You can put in your contact information in the comments, and we will certainly get back to you. Thank you so much.